Today we're diving into a common issue that many of you have been facing, like links that open directly in your browser when you don't want them to. Whether it's an email link, a document link, or any other type of link, this can be super frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's fix this problem together. Alright, let's get started. There are a few different scenarios where links might open directly in your browser, and we'll go through each one. First, let's tackle the issue where links are opening in the wrong application. For example, an email link might open in your web browser instead of your email client. On the Windows PC, start by going to Settings. You can access this by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting the Settings icon. Now navigate to Apps, then Default Apps. Here you'll see different categories like email, web browser, and more. Make sure the correct app is set as the default for each category. For instance, if you want links to open in your email client, make sure your preferred email application is set under Email. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, then General. Here you'll see different default web browser and other application settings. Ensure that your preferred applications are selected for each relevant category. You might need to check your email client settings as well. Now, let's address links that don't open at all. This can be due to a few reasons like browser issues or settings. Try clearing your browser's cache. To do that, go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and look for an option to clear browsing data due to. Be sure to select cached images and files. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with link behavior. Disable any extensions you've recently added and see if the problem persists. And that's it. We've covered how to fix links opening in the wrong app. I hope this helps you get your links working the way you want them to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.